today I'm reviewing this product. It's called Avene. Considered useful for skin which is prone to sensitivity, redness, also skin conditions like rosacea. This can also be used after a sunburn. So guys, this is dermatologically approved. Primarily this has a very low mineral content, and what that does is it helps in balancing out the pH thing of the skin. I have also tried keeping this in my car. So my skin is always breaking out because of the moisture, oiliness, the greasiness. So there are times when I just don't have time to clean it up nicely with the cleanser, and if it's in my car, in my handbag, I would just spray it, and my skin feels very refreshed and it smells great. So guys, I'll quickly show you how I like to use it. You're not supposed to shake it, just open it, and there's this dispenser thing. You just hold it a couple of inches away from your face, keep your eyes closed, and just spray. Wow, this always feels so refreshing, and this just smells so amazing. Middle of the day, if you just want to refresh your skin. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.